For over 15 years, Google 3D Virtual Globe, Google Earth, has been showing incredible images of various places on the planet at just a click. Now, with its new time-lapse feature, people can see how the Earth has changed in the last 37 years. Time-lapse in Google Earth includes 24 million satellites photos capturing daily 4 decades of planet to be changed. According to Google, the Earth has seen rapid environmental change in the past half century, more than any other point in human history. The changes happens broadly categorized under 5 things: forest change, urban growth, warming temperatures, sources of energy, and our world fragile beauty. Let's start with the southernmost continent, Antarctica, where Pine Island Glacier is visibly receding with ice breaking of a new icebox forming in Pine Island Bay. Next, moving up north to the Himalayan region, when new lakes have formed while existing one has expanded as a result of melting glaciers. Advancing to the east, Shanghai, the most populous city in China, can be seen outgrowing its borders and fusing with other cities in the vicinity as it develops into a megacity with a population of about 25 millions. Now, moving to the North American continent, the urban expansion continues in the US city Las Vegas, while Lake Mead, which applies most of the city's drinking water, can be seen shrinking. Descending to South America, decades of changes including deforestation can be seen into the world's largest tropical rainforest, the Amazon rainforest. Heading back east, the Brahmaputra River can be observed flowing through Assam along with deforestation in various areas of its state. Next, the tallest dam, the Tehri Dam on the Bhagirath River in Uttarakhand, can be seen. The dam construction begins in 1978 and was commissioned in 2006. Finally, moving to the west, Dubai and the United Arab Emirates has visibly transformed in the last 4 decades. While city develops, the Palm Island can be seen emerging of the ghost line. Google worked with experts at Comedan University to create the technology behind time-lapse. It also collaborates with NASA, US Geological Surveys, and Landsat program, and European Union's Kernel program for time-lapse Google Earth. Guys, अगर आपको मेरी ये वीडियो पसंद आई हो तो लाइक कर देना, शेयर कर देना, कमेंट कर देना और अपने दोस्तों के साथ शेयर ज़रूर कर देना गाइस।